Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Let's just continue with kinematics and circular motion, one of the application of your kinematics. So I think nandito na tayo, problem 7. A jet plane comes in a forward dive as shown in figure 8.7. So this is your jet. Path is a quarter circle, so this is a semicircle. Radius of curvature 350. So you can see that we can apply the circular motion to somewhat not a circular motion. Pero at least it approaches at this point. Di ba? So, ideal siya. So, sabi dito, ano raw yung speed? Kasi, um, maglulus yung consciousness at a 5.5 G. So, dapat parang maximum yung acceleration radial, 5.5 G. Pag tumaas pa dito, talagang mamamatay siguro. Kasi pag mamatay yung pilot dito, paano pa maneuver yung plane na to? Diba? Maliban kung magigising din siya habang wala nang nagko-control sa plane. Anyway, yun lang. We avoid that na mawawalan ng consciousness. But if you're the pilot, I think the consequences is because of that strong acceleration toward the center. Parang yung utak mo niyan is mag-shutdown. Parang ganun siya. Kasi merong mga testing sila doon, di ba, na pinapaikot-ikot sila sa isang, I think you can see it from the James Bond. Parang yun yung isa kong nakita, James Bond. Medyo matagal na. But anyway, we'll have just have to compute. So, copy-paste muna to. So, ito na siya. Then, we can imagine that this is a circular motion dito na part. So, you will have an acceleration going to the center, which is 5.5 G. Fortunately, hindi umabot dito. So, parang yung maximum na dapat. Meaning, dapat mas bumaba dyan. So, we can have our equation. Actually, parang yung first equation lang. Kasi, we'll be just be computing with the velocity or the speed. Kasi alam naman natin that that is a linear speed or that is a constant velocity. That velocity is constant. So, speed siya kasi alam naman natin na iikot lang siya. Parang ganun yung concept nila eh. Pag yung direction mo is napapako na, so nawawala na siya ng as vector quantity. So, speed yung term nila. But then, we will just have to follow. So, A rad is just equal to V squared all over R. So, A rad is 5.5 and then multiplied by 9.8. Muna. A rad na natin. V squared na natin is equal to A rad R. So, we substitute A rad. Maximum of 5.5 times 9.80665 meters per second squared. And then your R is binigay sa problem curvature which is 350 meters. The radius of curvature, ito dito rin kung saan yung simula itong parang radius nito. Okay? So radius is 350 meters. So basically, you would have a unit of meter squared per second squared. Meter squared dahil meter times meter. So you only have to compute 5.5 times 9.80665 times 350. 350. So 350, you would have a 18,877 square meters per second squared. So i-square yan siya, magkakaroon tayo ng velocity answer. So and that would be a 137 meters per second. So kung gusto natin in miles per hour, kailangan natin ng miles is, yung alam ko is 1 meter is 3.28084 feet. Tapos yung miles is 5,280 feet is 1 mile. Tapos yung second naman is 3,600 seconds in every 1 hour. So ito yung unang answer in meters per second, and in miles per second that should be multiplied by 3.28084 times 3,600 divided by 5,280. So, yung miles per hour is 307 miles, MI, miles per hour. In kilometers, mga nasa 100 plus to, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi yung, hindi masyadong mabilis. Miles is times ko pala yan, times 1.6. 1.6 in terms of kilometers. So, kilometers per hour, nasa 400 plus. Yung plane mo, lumilipad na yan siya at around 300 plus. Parang 340 yata kilometers per hour. At ito nasa 492 na siya kilometers per hour. So, para ma-imagine ng mga nagmumotor gaano siya kabilis. So, parang doble. 491 kilometers per hour. Sa kilometers per hour nyo, 100 na nabibilisan kayo, so i-times 5 nyo yun, more or less. Ganon kabilis yung plane na mawawalan ka na ng ulirat kung maggawa ka ng motion na to in a curvature na ganito. So, that should give you the 5.5G. Meaning, pag lumagpas ka pa dito, 307, malalagpasan mo yung 5.5G. Kasi yung velocity mo is directly proportional with your radial acceleration. So, kung bumilis ka dito, bibilis din yung ARAD mo, which is na pinako natin at 5.5G. At sabi doon sa problem, at 5.5G, mawawalan ka na ng ulirat kung ikaw yung piloto dito. So, ito siya, miles per hour, and this is the 137 in terms of meters per second. Anyway, these two are the answers nitong dalawang to. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.